Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're seeing this video. You're welcome back to Hairstyle Ideas. On this channel we share different hairstyle ideas with you guys. Okay, so by today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this braid, this special braid or this special hairstyle called the pineapple braids. Actually, this pineapple braid, they have different designs and different styles that it could be made. Okay, but the one that is very popular is this one that you're seeing very like now. And there's this other one too that is quite different that you're still going to see in the later part of this video. So now I want you to go through it. These are beginner friendly, how you can start the hairstyle, because usually when you see the hairstyle it looks so complicated. You're like, how do I even start this hairstyle? Okay, so this particular one is pineapple box braid, where you have to weave your inside hair, like as you can see, and different. This one going up back, this one going sideways, and then you now box braid the middle hair. Okay, as you can see. So some you can even make it in a zigzag form, like the weaving inside. You can even make it in a zigzag form. You can do it like straight line form. You can actually do it any style that you want at all. And then after, at the end of the whole, weaving, then you now box braid the middle hair, as you can see. So it looks complicated, but it's kind of easy. It's if you know how to do normal cornrows, you can do this hairstyle. And the box braid is very easy. Of course, usually everybody knows how to do this one. So this is why I compiled these hairstyles, like compiled them, so you can see how it's done, how you can do the inner weaving, where to start from and how to go about it, you get. And then yeah, basically that's just it. So please, if this is your first time here, hi, you're welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button to join the family. To my OGs, thank you so much for always watching my videos, for always coming back, for the thumbs up, for the comments, for everything. You guys, I appreciate. Even for the subscribers, thank you all so much. I appreciate all your support. So without talking too much, let me let you sit down, relax, and watch the entire video. If you have any question, you can still drop them in the comment section. I would happily answer them. Okay, if there are any hairstyle ideas that you love me to look into or make for you guys, please say something in the comment section. I want us to be very interactive. Okay, to communication, you guys, is key. So yeah, thank you so much. I feel like I'm rambling too much, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.